Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today, the United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor.
Advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engines allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a minimum radius horizontal turn, and then powers straight up into the vertical. Then, watch as Major Cummings changes his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition. And missiles to be carried internally. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly maneuverable stealth fighter in the world with a fully internal combat weapons load. Ready your cameras as the Raptor banks it from the left and cycles his weapons bay doors. Folks, if you've ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. In a vertical flight as it carves through a loop and doubles its altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you will see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vector thrust of the two powerful F-119 engines, which literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Following the power loop, you will see the Raptor perform the loaded roll.
The mix sound drains a little stronger than you think, so get a grip, take a sip of that fear out. Trucks jacked up,
the Raptor's slow speed pass.
Flying in formation today is Valhalla, a World War II era P-51 Mustang.
retired Greg Anders. A World War II era P-51 Mustang, piloted by United States Air Force Lieutenant Colonel retired Greg Anders.
She's going to be doing a dead stick act, and you're wondering what that all means. It basically means he's going to climb up to altitude, about 4,000 feet above the ground, and he's going to shut the motor off and turn his interstate cadet into a glider. And then you don't want to miss this, your Canadian Forces Snowbirds to wrap up this year's air show, so don't go away. Well, we recovered some aircraft. This might be a real quick opportunity for you to grab a quick refreshment and then get back to the crowd lines. Lots of air shows still to come. Aces, Warriors, and Wingmen, the 2015 Abbotsford International Air Show.
Oh, this is absolutely fantastic. I tell you, Abbotsford International Airport is the right choice for aerospace development. Airport is already home to a vibrant aerospace community, including industry leaders such as Cascade Aerospace, Marshall Aerospace, the Conair Group, University of the Fraser Valley Aerospace Center, Alpine Aerotech, Chinook Helicopters, Coastal Pacific Aviation, and many other world-class partners. The airport, located just a quick hop away from Vancouver and Seattle, and minutes from 2 U.S. border crossings and the Trans-Canada Highway, has over 200 acres of land available for development. With competitive lease rates, flexible lease terms, and much more, YXX is open for business. For more information, contact the airport general manager.
And if you want to meet all of the crew and the pilots of the F-22 Raptor demonstration team, you can head over to the western end of the field and near the hot pit area.